Hey guys, it's Miss Carrier. I'm going to continue instruction here with the PowerPoint modules for the Imagine Academy. This is PowerPoint Module 2, File 2, and this is for the users that have the desktop application. So this is not the video for you if you are using a Chromebook. All right, so we need a couple of files for this. I've already downloaded them, but you do need the starter PowerPoint, the cookbook starter, and also the cookbook document. I've already downloaded both of those just to save a little time. And I've renamed this cookbook starter to I added my name on the end. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and open this up. We're going to use a really cool feature called using slides from Outline. This, again, was not something I had available to me when I was your age, so this is pretty cool to be able to use slides from a document. But we're going to go to New Slide and Slides from Outline, and it's going to automatically find what we need there. It's the cookbook document, and it says that we can go ahead and insert. You got to make sure that document is closed for that to work properly, and it takes just a minute, and it'll go ahead and insert some slides for you. It does tell us in the instructions that we can go ahead and delete these blank slides out. So we're going to delete the blank slides. All right, and then that's what we have remaining. Now, the next step in this is we are going to have to go actually into the document itself and grab the instructions here. So we're going to open up Cookbook, and we're going to go find the instructions to make pumpkin pie here. So we can scroll down, and you can see that that is the information that matches up there. And we're going to simply click and copy these instructions to make pumpkin pie. And we're going to come onto this slide here, and we're going to paste those instructions. I just simply did Control V, and it tells us that now it would be a really good idea to make this 2 columns right here so that we can better fit that information. Perfect. I'm going to take that bullet off there. All right, so we've got what we need to continue on, and it tells us that the next step is to resize the text box to better fit the screen. I'm going to skip that step right now just for time's sake, but you can go in and specifically format that shape to be 9.44 inches wide and 3.94 inches tall. Okay, so if it doesn't look right to you, you can fix that. Let's move on to the next step. We're going to add a header and footer. Actually, we're just going to enter a footer here. And it says we're going to enter Munson's Pickles and Preserves Farm Cookbook. So I'm just going to simply copy that line. Be a little lazy here. You're going to have to do Control C to copy that. And we're going to go into the PowerPoint. It says that we can put this on all slides but the first slide. So what we want to do is we want to insert a footer. And that there's a couple ways that you can get to that. But the first way here is to insert and to go over to the header and footer section. And notice that we have the footer box here that we can check and simply Control V, paste that information in. And we want to make sure that we do not show it on the title slide. Okay, so you can pause me now if you need a minute to do that step. And that's all we need to do there. So we go ahead and apply to all. So it'll show up at the bottom of every slide except for the beginning slide. Very good. All right, lastly, it says we're going to go to Cookbook on the first slide and link to another PowerPoint presentation with a screen tip. So we need to find this data file here, the Cornerstone Harvest Schedule, and we're going to link the word cookbook to that file. So we're going to highlight that, and we're going to insert a link. Okay, and because we haven't downloaded that file, what we need to do is go to Insert Link, and we are going to need to download that file just like we did in the previous steps. So we go over here, we download Harvest Schedule. We're going to download that to the same files that we had before, and we're going to go back here, and on this link, we're going to find that. Actually, I have to open that up one more time, and we will use the insert link function to link to Harvest Schedule. And from there, we can add the screen tip that it's asking for right here. And that's the last of those steps. So good job. You've completed file 2 and you're ready to move on to module 3.